Hey guys, welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. Tonight's video is going to teach you how to get rid of those annoying boxes that pop up when you are trying to run a channel and they always tell you, are you still watching? After only 20 videos. So you go to Google right there and you type in YouTube NonStop browser extension, and then you're going to come down and I'll show you right here what you do. So you click on the YouTube NonStop 2.0 and you go over, you see up here that is your Chrome store, and you go over to the add to Chrome and you click on that, and then another box will open up and then it'll say add extension, and then you're going to click on that, and there it is. You'll see it's gray, but once you're on YouTube that'll turn red. I've tested this for almost a week now, and it really works well. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to be able to run a channel if you don't know. So we'll go to mine, and you're going to just silence that. So then we're going to go to videos and tap play all, and then silence your video there. And then you're going to go up here and tap this little thing to loop your playlist. It'll turn black, and that's all you got to do. Now that'll run the 556 videos, and you could do this overnight. I wouldn't suggest you doing it to your own channel though, because that doesn't really count for your watch hours. But you could have someone run it for you, and and that'll help you get your watch hours. I hope that this video was helpful to you all, and please let me know in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love yourself and others, and we'll see you on another video. Stay tuned for more.